In this video, I will show you how you can verify your business website easily. If you are not update your latest business WhatsApp, so simply go to Play Store and check are you using latest business website or not. I mean WhatsApp business. You can see here you have latest update of your business WhatsApp. Simply update it. Now WhatsApp has brought some new feature. You can verify your business WhatsApp like Facebook and Instagram. So the one you must be paid one. And then WhatsApp also brings some new feature. I will show you and explain how you can enable it and use it here. And business WhatsApp is used by billion of the people because this WhatsApp has more new feature than normal WhatsApp. You can see here more than 1 billion people use.
YouTube remove this video for not blur. This is sec time video upload.
And here you can see here three of the dot, unread message, favorite and groups. Now you can find group easily just up here. And favorite, this one you can use the people who usually you talk in daily life. So I put here my wife and other people and friend who I daily want to message. If you want someone to make daily, like you simply do this, select the person and add to favorite. Here you can see add to favorite. Now this guy is on my list of the favorite. You can also go here, go to setting, and you can see here go to here, add to favorites. You can see here my favorite people. If you want to add more people here, let's say you have a lot of the WhatsApp people you cannot find easily, so you can add these people on favorite. You whenever you click to favorite, you will get all these people easily, so you don't need to type and find these people on WhatsApp search. You can see here now I want my friend Anis. I want my friend on my favorite list, and this one like this I want to add, so it add them on my favorite list. You can see here my friend and my nephew. So this is how you can add. If you want to remove, you also can remove easily. How to remove the one, let me show you. Here again and see, go to favorite and simply click here. You can see here, you just click here, you can adjust. I want to put my wife on the top and my friend, you can see here. So this is how you can adjust. If you want someone to remove easily, you can do also here. Simply go click the delete button and will be deleted easily. Okay, this is very easy. So now down you save again. So this is how you can manage the favorite group, love your loved one and best friend and close friend and daily people who you talk and message. Now go to step 2 here, how to verify. Simply click here and go to business tools, and you can see here verify, meta verify. You can verify your WhatsApp profile easily. You can see here 1 month Malaysia ringgit 42 ringgit per month. So they will verify my channel and linked more than 4 devices. Okay, a lot of the benefit like Facebook and Instagram. They also have different kind of the standard here, level, standard, plus, premier and max. So if you are business owner or you are online seller on e-commerce, you can verify. Okay, for the entrepreneurs you can verify. So I don't want to verify because I am just normal person. And also you can manage your product here, add collection, add new product. And you can see here you can set your business profile. Go to profile, and here you can write your name, your business category, your address, your website. You can add more than one website here, your email, your operation hours, your product, your Instagram and Facebook account, all this. After put, you can share the link of the your business website URL. Or also you can run ads here. You can boost your profile picture on social media like Facebook and WhatsApp, also Instagram. So this is how you can set up your business website and verify, and you make simply easy way. Make sure you subscribe my channel and likes and share. Thank you for watching.